Hi, I'm Bridget Indelicato, and welcome to Mindful Gardening. Today, I'm talking about beans. Beans are a great source of fiber and protein, and they're really easy to grow for all ages. As you can see here, I've grown some beans already, and they've been growing for a few weeks, and they have really cool names like Dragon Tongue and Purple Queen. Dragon Tongue, on its pods, has white and purple stripes. And Purple Queen, well, you guessed it, they're purple. If you don't have room in your garden like this, you can really easily grow them in a pot as well. Be sure you start them in June or July because beans love the heat. Let me show you how to get growing. The first thing I do is I soak my beans in a mason jar or a glass of water overnight because that just wakes up the seed. Now the cool thing about planting seeds is all you need are your hands. So what I'm going to do first of all is use my pointer finger, and I'm going to poke a hole about an inch deep. I'm going to take one of my beans and drop it in. Then I'm going to use my hand for the next one. Now if you have little hands, maybe use two hands. And that's where my next hole will go. And again. And I'm going to lightly cover it up with soil. Now, beans need both sunshine and soil and, of course, water. So I'm going to give these a good water with my watering can. And again, like I mentioned, if you don't have room in your garden to do this, do them in a pot and use the same technique with your hands.
Thanks for watching. For more resources, including videos, visit innisfilseedlibrary.ca